Look at that. Just had breakfast. Remember I told you about that place? Oh yeah. The big city. We're in the big city. This is what I love right here. Look at that hog. God dang it, I love it. Off you go, little duffer. Oh yeah. Oh man, did I miss this? Holy crap. Oh man, I love this. It'll be nice to get back on trail. You know, Sunflower wants to finish this thing and we're gonna do it. But dang it, this is fun. All right, that was fun. Got a little slob there. I went out yesterday morning fishing just for maybe half an hour. I caught 3, but nothing was over like 2¼ pounds. But that one was 4½. That was all right. I like that. That was nice. Anyway, today I called the VA to try to get in, and I have an appointment tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock for my shoulder blade issue. They got me in pretty quick, which is really nice. And hopefully tomorrow I have an update on whether I just get a shot in there or some muscle relaxers or whatever it is that I need to get done. But, you know, hopefully they can get it fixed, which is the goal here, because putting that pack on and off and digging my poles into the ground to go up hills really sucks. So let's see if we can avoid that pain and get back at it. So the time we're spending at home is going by really fast already. You know, we've cleaned up all of our stuff. I'm gonna go pitch the tent right now to dry it out and spray it again with permethrin and clean it out because it's a little dirty on the inside. So yep, lots to do today, but I'll keep you informed of what's going on. Hopefully I can get a little video of us setting up the tent and cleaning it. I don't know if that's a big deal for anybody or not, but it needs to be done, so we're gonna do it. All right, we'll get back to you in a little bit.
What you doing?
I'm running out of permethrin, so we need more.
Oh man.
That's all right. We got one more bottle to finish everything. We'll be good.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. Hey, Sunflower, what you doing?
Cleaning out our nasty tent.
Nasty tent.
Yeah. I'm spruing it and then I'm gonna wipe it down.
Outstanding. And then we'll spray it now with some permethrin.
Yes.
And then maybe spray the rain fly with some more Scotch Guard or something. We shall see.
All right, so I figured since we're home, might as well wipe down my pack, and because it's kind of nasty. So I'm gonna Clorox wipe this thing inside and out. I did have some moisture get in my pack. I don't know where and how. It was raining really, really bad one night, or one day, or 2 days actually, I think. But anyways, all of my stuff's in the like waterproof bags, but water was on the bottom. So I'm gonna wipe it down and kind of just examine it, take a look and see how in the world water got in there. I know these are supposed to be waterproof bags. I don't know if I need to like seam seal it or what, but yeah. So I'm gonna see where and how, but there was water built up on the inside on the bottom, and my sleeping bag's at the very bottom with everything. So like I said, it was in a waterproof bag. So I just got to make sure, because if not, then I'm gonna have to get a new pack, and the best day for me to get it will be at trail days. So we'll see. But yeah, just gonna wipe this nasty thing down and wipe Traveler's down as well, because his is gross. And just clean everything up. I just cleaned up the tent. We've got our clothes getting ready to hang up so we can spray those with permethrin as well. Just doing pretty much basic chores like we do out on trail, but a little bit more and a little bit more elaborate here, since we are home and we can get more stuff done. And kind of relaxing. Traveler, he did say he has a doctor's appointment to have his back checked out. I actually have a doctor's appointment today to get my ankle checked out, because if you remember, it was swelling really bad because I had twisted it on the rocks, and the swelling barely going down, but every time I move or do something, it's so sore and sensitive and swells right back up again. And then I'll have the other one checked out too, because I did a little bit on that one and it's more on the inside. I'll have them check out my knees too as well while I'm at the doctor's. So yeah, they were good to get me in quickly, which is great. I don't know if there is anything else that we're going to be doing. Probably just a resupply, kind of figuring things out, switching our clothes out, that kind of thing. Yeah, so clouds are coming in. It's supposed to be a beautiful sunny day today, so I guess just partly cloudy, but great weather back here at home in New York. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna get this thing wiped down and I will keep you guys updated. Maybe we might go downtown later on, not sure what we're doing. And we'll show you around if we do that, because yeah, we only showed you around this morning for breakfast. All right, I'll talk with you guys later.
Remember me telling you about these subs? Oh yeah, it's gonna be glorious.
All right, so I just want to give you a quick update. I've been doing my laundry. Traveler had done his and sprayed down his clothes with permethrin. I'm doing the same here with my clothes. I do have a few other things coming in that we've ordered just so we can update our clothing, because it is going to be getting warmer. And Traveler's been treating the tent. We permethrined it again and doing some extra waterproofing. I'll give you a quick update. We went to the doctor. Well, I went separately. Traveler did his. The doctor just wanted to make sure that my ankle was okay and nothing was broken, so we did x-rays. I should find out soon, I guess, the results of that. So she doesn't think it's broken. That's a good thing. She just thinks that I sprained it really well and the swelling just keeps coming because I keep tripping over everything and spraining it over and over again. So that's good news for me. My knees, she thinks it's the compression socks that are causing my knees to swell, because I've noticed that there's some fluid on my knees. So she wants me to stop using them for a couple weeks and see how that's doing and just wear braces only. So I'm gonna be trying that out. For Traveler, he's gonna take some medications for some of the inflammation for his pain that he's been having behind his shoulder. And what else? For his Achilles, she sent him stretches and just ice for his. And I think that's pretty much it. We kind of haven't been recording much. I'm gonna kind of just blob all of these in together and not even put like days on this because we're home. So yeah, just normal chores that we've been doing, getting things done around here, around the house, making sure everything's in order before we head back out. And that's about it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys my next couple days of resupply here that I have. So one of my days I've got breakfast, lunch, so it's my peanut butter, I've got honey and tortilla, snacks, trail mix, cheese, and these taste, I don't know if you've ever had them, like a granola bar. And then I got my energy, my hydration, and of course my snack. Next day, breakfast. This is actually going to be my lunch, is the crackers and cheese and some jerky. All my snacks there, and hydrate and electrolytes with my energy. Next day, of course, breakfast. And I've got my peanut butter and honey, and I'll get a tortilla in there. My snacks, electrolytes, energy, caffeine, more snacks there. That's my extra leftovers. I'll take those two just so I can snack on, and my 2 dinners. So I've got my Knorr that I'll probably mix with my Spam, and then I got my Backpacker's Pantry, which is a green chili mac and cheese. And so that's pretty much it of what I've got for my 3 days. So hopefully it works. Trying a little bit different, but not too much.
All right, we got some comments that people want to see more of our resupply, so here you go. So day one, I haven't picked up my lunch yet. It's going to be Uncrustables for lunch, but there's day one. Got your breakfast. I always have an energy drink like caffeine because I don't do coffee. Electrolytes, some pieces of candy, a couple of meat sticks, a Snickers, and then of course I'm going to have my Uncrustables, and then dinner. And then day two, we're going to go with the pulled pork on a tortilla with a cheese stick. Then I got some other meat and cheese sticks, some candy, Snickers, breakfast again, and dinner for day two. Day three, breakfast. Lunch is going to be a tuna packet with crackers. Again, I got some more candy. Every day I've got electrolytes and a caffeine drink, which is right there. Some more meat sticks, Snickers, and no dinner because day three we should be to a hostel. So that's my resupply for basically a 2.5 day hike.
All right, we are headed back to trail. Well, first we're actually gonna go to trail days, and then we will head back to trail. So yeah, leaving home now, and yeah, it was nice to be home and sleep in our own bed and relax for a bit. Yeah, time to get back out there. So we'll see you guys then.